Good afternoon, children. Welcome to today online classes. Now, children, in previous classes we discussed about the subtraction. Subtraction means left. We left the things. Now things ಅನ್ನ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ನಾವು in previous class we discussed about the subtraction with numbers and subtraction with things. Okay children, now today we will going to teach about the subtraction with zero. Subtraction with zero. Okay children, subtraction with zero. Zero jothe subtraction ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು? Okay children, subtraction with zero. I'll write here with zero. Subtraction with zero. Okay children, zero means what? Zero means what? Zero means nothing. Zero means nothing. I'll write here zero means nothing. Okay children, okay, I will give one example. You have two chocolates. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ 2 ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಇದಾವೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, how many chocolates you have? 2 chocolates. Okay children, you gives to your sister. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಕ ಅಥವಾ ತಂಗಿಗೆ ನೀವು 2 chocolates ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ ಈಗ. Okay, you will give to your sister 2 chocolate. Okay, 2 chocolate ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಏನು ಉಳಿತಾವೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? Nothing. ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ. Nothing means big zero. Zero means nothing. Okay children, understood first the zero meaning? Zero means nothing. ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ, blank. Okay children, now I will tell you. Subtracting zero from any numbers gives us the same number. You think one sentence, 1 point children. Subtracting zero from any number. ನೀವು ಜೀರೋ ಜೊತೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ಹೌ ಟು ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲುಕ್ at here children. This is a ball. How many balls here? 2 balls. The box have 2 balls. Okay, sorry, 3 balls. Minus. Okay, this box have a 3 ball and this box have a no ball. Okay, no means nothing means ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು? Zero. I'll write here zero. Okay children, now 3 minus 0 is equal to, I will told you the answer is same number. They will come answer same number. 0 minus 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. Same answer will come. Subtracting, when the subtract with 0 and we will give the same number. Gives us same number. Same number but children. Okay, I will write here same number. Okay children, open your textbook page number 116. 116. Look at here 116. They will give some examples here children. Now I will told you how many balls here? 3 balls. And how many balls have this box? 0 box. Remaining how many balls have? 3 balls. Okay children, same you have the next questions here. This box have a 5 balls and this box have a no means 0 and answer will come same. This number also come the answer. You understood these examples? Okay, take your parents help children and turn page number. Look at here 117. The same things. You write the numbers. The 4 teddy bear here and 0 teddy bear here and answer will same. 4 teddy bear. You write here 4. Okay, 5 flowers here and 0 flowers. The answer should comes only this number, 5 flowers. Okay children, you complete it. Okay, take your parents' help and complete the work. Okay children, you think 0 means nothing. Okay, 0 means nothing. ಈಗ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್, 0. ಈಗ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇರೋ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, you understood how to comes answer and subtraction with 0. 0 ಜೊತೆ subtract ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ we will find the same answer. Okay children, now you practice at home. I will told you in previous class how to subtract with 0 already. Okay, now your parents gives us some examples, you do it. Okay children, now today class was completed children. Next class I will tell you next chapter. Thank you.